महसूस हो रहा है मुझे कि छुट्टी मेरी शुरू हो गई।
जलन हो रही है, जलन।
मैं चली जाऊँ? This place is stunning. I missed it so much.
I'm not confusing you. That's the process.
Reet is ruining my solo plan. Mama, I can't take it to my chest. This trip is going better than I thought it would. अभी छुट्टी का पूरा महसूस हो रहा है मुझे कि छुट्टी मेरी शुरू हो गई है। आना है क्या तुमको लेने के लिए? आना था अभी बोर्ड पे से होता कि कल बोल रहे थे हार लेके आऊंगा।
देखते हैं ना अभी हार लगा है कि नहीं।
What's up? Good. चलो amazing. Reet wants to see unexplored Andaman. उसको अलग What is Brocode? जब मैं थी ये Brocode कहाँ गया?
डिलीट कर दिया।
How cheap!
यहाँ से रिटर्न फेरी।
These men, I tell you. Oh God, the ferry was so rocky. हम दोनों की अरे सब उल्टी कर रहे थे।
Everyone puked.
हाँ सब
फ्री म्यूजिक। और उधर वो स्क्रीन पे पता नहीं क्या बॉलीवुड के क्या गाने लगा के रखे। इधर ऐसा हो रहा है।
Reet also says that he wouldn't mind living in Havelock. Even I had said that when I came here first time. Look how beautiful this place is. So untouched, like dense forest. हम बाली वगैरह इतना दूर ढूंढने जाते हैं ये सब। Silver Sand Beach will be coming here too. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं Silver Sand Village. This is Kala Patthar Beach. This is much more commercialized. A lot of people come here. See sunset हो रहा है। इधर से दिखता नहीं है सनसेट, वो राधानगर से बेस्ट दिखता है। I'm back at this place. So beautiful. This property is beautiful, like the whole forest through which you come here. पूरा रास्ता बन गया है मालूम है। पहले ये पूरा रास्ता कच्चा था जब मैं लास्ट टाइम आई थी। I can't believe एक साल में इतना बदलाव आ सकता है। फुल रास्ता इज बेटर देन मुंबई के रास्ते। पूरा सीमेंट डाल दिया है एंड इट्स सो नाइस। रीत को फुल असम की याद आ गई रास्तों पे, बिकॉज फुल्ली लुक्स लाइक विद राइस फील्ड्स एंड लॉन्ग ट्रीज, एवरीथिंग स्टनिंग. The place is as beautiful as I remember it. The sunset over here is so nice. I can't wait to go out and explore Andaman again. आज तो of course हम बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए journey से, but it's very stunning. This is Silver Sand Village Resort.
Minutes later.
Special delivery from Impulse Coffees. After so long I'm coming here. Oh my God, I miss this place. गली भी याद थी मेरे को।
गली की याद थी भाई। मेरे को टेंशन नहीं था ना कि आप आओगे नहीं कैसे भी, इसका तो पता होगा।
You like it?
Yeah, it's very nice.
So nice, huh?
The next morning.
Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sal, where you and I, we travel together. This is the first travel episode of 2025 and we are back to one of my favorite places in India that I have ever visited, and that is the Andaman Islands. When I had come last time, मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था जाते वक्त कि I will definitely come back. I left a piece of my heart over here. It's such a beautiful, untouched, underrated place to travel to. Like when Reet also landed there, he was like, wow, this is so beautiful. The air quality from Mumbai to Andaman, the way it changed and our lungs can just breathe better. And since I'm a beach person, of course, I love Havelock Island so much. So हम जैसे ही पहुंचे Andaman, from Port Blair you have to take a ferry and directly, so there's a direct flight from Mumbai to Port Blair, and from Port Blair you can take a ferry and you can come to the Havelock Islands if you have not seen my last vlog. So two islands are super popular, Havelock and Neil Island. This time also I've come to Havelock because I sort of made a family over here at the dive shop where I did my open water course. My last time I थी अपना paddy open water course करने के लिए, and I met Saurav and Bumba and the whole team, and I had so much fun. And yesterday night I met all of them again, and it was so nostalgic, and it just feels like second home to me. And Silver Sand Resorts, where I'm staying, like they have two properties here in Havelock Island. They have one in Port Blair also and one in Neil Island also. I've not been to Neil like ever. I might inshallah go in the future because I definitely see myself coming back and back and back again to Andaman. So I'm very excited because this time Reet is doing his open water and I'm gonna do my advanced scuba diving course. If you've seen my previous vlog, you know I'm already open water scuba certified, and it was more challenging to do open water. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी, इसलिए मैं advanced नहीं कर पाई थी तभी. And I had promised Saurav कि मैं वापस आऊँगी और मैं तुमसे ही advanced कराऊँगी. I will not do it anywhere else in the world. And after traveling other places and doing scuba in other countries, I can tell you the way they teach in Havelock Island, the way they teach a dive master is honestly the best. Like इतना detailed attention देते हैं वो लोग, and they make sure कि जो PADI certification में important है हर एक चीज they cover. Like internationally I've seen उन लोग बहुत चोरपट्टी करते हैं, मतलब एक आधा नहीं आ रहा है आपको स्किल करने के लिए तो they'll be like हाँ ठीक है रहने दो. But यहाँ पर they had literally eaten my head and made me do every single skill, and that's important because you're literally, you know, with gear and you're underwater and you need to be able to take care of yourself and plus your buddies who you're traveling with and who you're diving with. So it's important to have all the skill sets when you're diving. It's super fun and I'm so excited to do my advanced this time. Advanced course 2 दिन लगता है, but Reet open water भी करेंगे and inshallah अगर उनको हो सके तो he will do advanced also. So that's why we have taken like a 7-day trip. So 4 days we are staying at Silver Sand Village Resort and 3 days we are going to Silver Sand Beach Resort. We're just in Havelock Island. It's going to be very chill. I really wanted a slow start to 2025. Like जब हम holiday destinations decide कर रहे थे, we were confused between Kashmir and Havelock. I really wanted to go to Kashmir also because I've never been. But अभी हम अरुणाचल जाके आए and अभी mountain destination किया. So Reet was like, let's do beach and let's go to Havelock because it's your favorite and you love it so much. So I was like, okay, fine. I'm so excited to like take him, make him meet my second family here in Havelock, and it's just so nice. So Reet is right now studying. He's completing his theory part of the open water. हम कल पहुंचे बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए तो yesterday we did not, like he could not finish his studies, so he's finishing it abhi and I'm getting ready. We are going to the dive shop. It's 12 o'clock right now. हम सिर्फ जा रहे so that he can familiarize with equipment and probably finish his theory exam today, and then tomorrow we'll get into water. When he's doing his course, I will just do fun dives and I will just chill in the water and I don't have to like properly do anything study wise. I have to do my studies in the last 2 days क्योंकि advanced की पढ़ाई थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा होती है, इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती. So when you're doing PADI, you have to make sure कि आप बराबर से अच्छी health में आओ. You can't come with सर्दी जुकाम and you can't come with body ache and stuff also because it's a very exhausting procedure. We stay underwater for like 20-25 minutes, but even in 20-25 minutes you can get very tired. I'm अच्छे से applying my body lotion, sunscreen, everything because यहाँ पर बहुत बुरी तरीके से tan हो सकते हैं. Like I took the best memories back from Havelock Island, but also the worst tan of my life, and this time I'm going to be so careful. I'm traveling with my Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. It's so easy to absorb and इसमें चिपचिपा feeling नहीं आता, but it stays moisturized, hydrated, and this has a broad spectrum SPF and UVA UVB protection. So I think body lotion plus sunscreen wise, this is the best thing to just apply everywhere. And यहाँ पे अच्छी खासी गर्मी है, even though it's January and हर जगह like ठंडी है, but Havelock is one place where you'll always find like tropical weather. What I love about this place are definitely the stars also in the night. This is one thing I cannot show you in vlogs, but जैसी रात होती है यहाँ पे, you have the most beautiful sunsets in Havelock, and the minute it's night time, the stars you see, you guys, ऐसा लगता है बस मेरे ऐसे मैं पकड़ के लेके आ जाऊंगी. Like you can see Mars planet exactly for like its color. Like you can see orange Mars planet, and इतना खूबसूरत लगता है ना, मेरा कैमरा कभी नहीं कैप्चर कर पाएगा आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए. You have to come to Havelock to see the stars you see over here. Like from anywhere. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई पॉइंट पे जाना है, मैं रिसोर्ट के बाहर जाके भी देखूंगी and I will see the entire Milky Way, like the entire Orion and all the constellations and Mars planet and Venus and satellites and what not, and these people all have like applications that they keep on their phone. I know look dekhte ke pata hai kaun sa constellation kidhar hai. Like the skies in South India anyways are prettier because I just feel like South Indian skies are much vast, and always when I go to Pondicherry and all also I feel like the skies are so beautiful. But वहाँ पे इतना light pollution होता है, इधर क्या बिल्कुल light pollution नहीं, street light वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. So you can just look up and see everything very clearly. और हमने इस बार स्कूटी कर रखी है, so we are just like both of us are riding through the place and remembering Bali, making sure मेरी टांगे वांगे सब कुछ same color की रहे जब तक मैं घर पहुंचूं hopefully. Mainly तो I got burnt last time doing scuba, and scuba में I'm going to wear full sleeves and full pant वाला gear. Same गलती नहीं करूंगी last time जैसी. So I've bought like my own rash guard and everything. And since I love scuba diving, now I'm very comfortable underwater. It is an investment for me, so that's why I purchased it. Okay, I've put this sunscreen body lotion all over now on my face. I'm gonna apply the Wishcare Niacinamide sunscreen. This is so light and airy. I was so surprised with the texture of this. I mean, look at that texture. It's like fluid, like so fluidy. It reminds you of all those Korean sunscreen textures. No white cast whatsoever and very hydrating. और बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपा नहीं है because it's so hot and humid over here. I chose to bring this because this actually does oil control. It has niacinamide in it. Very lightweight. I love the texture of this one. मैं बिल्कुल मेकअप नहीं लगाने वाली on this trip. I love island vacations because I stay clear of makeup and just let my skin breathe, let my life breathe. And I wanted a slow start to 2025 because it's been chaotic to say the least. Like just साल शुरू हुआ है and there have been so many life changes in my career already. Like with Impulse Coffees, not with my YouTube channel. With Impulse Coffees, and Mom also started her YouTube channel, like her Instagram page. So I've been very heavily involved in that also. So as Reet, and both of us are very overworked. So it was a great way to go to a place कि हाँ हम पहले भी गए, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना है या ऐसा कुछ घाई गड़बड़ है. रीत ऑफ कोर्स थक जाएंगे बिकॉज ओपन वाटर इज चैलेंजिंग, बट एटलीस्ट मैं तो रिलैक्स कर सकती हूँ. आई एम इन लव विद दिस विशकेयर सनस्क्रीन. इट्स ऑल्सो सुपर इजी फॉर रीएप्लीकेशन बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ नाइस द टेक्सचर इज एंड स्किन लुक्स सो प्लम. जैसे कोरियन स्किन केयर करने के बाद स्किन एकदम प्लम्प हो जाती है. आई लव द टेक्सचर, आई लव द फील ऑफ दिस वन. मेकअप नहीं कर रही बट थोड़ा सा ब्लश लगा लेती हूँ. And perfume, yes, this is the Prada Paradox. Even though I don't like it, I'm carrying it because मैंने खरीदा है. So I'm going to finish it off on this trip. Applying थोड़ा body mist. मैंने सिर्फ इतने से पाउच में मेकअप कैरी कर रखा है और कुछ भी नहीं. I'm using the Benefits Flora tint as my blush. Just थोड़ा सा कलर. हम अभी पहले डाइव शॉप जाएंगे and then probably we'll go to Full Moon Cafe. It's one of my favorite cafes in Andaman in Havelock. And then we'll go to like eat like a brunch because हमने नाश्ता नहीं किया, हम लेट उठे हैं. And for sunset probably we'll go to Radhanagar Beach, which is India's cleanest beach, which is in Havelock Island, and it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Like last time मैं photographer के साथ गई थी and I had taken like drone shots and not a speck of kachra you'll see. And near Radhanagar you get these beautiful, stunning landscapes. It's super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little like a darker tint. This is the Serum Lip Oil from Singapore. I had got, I don't remember this brand. For You Too करके ये ब्रांड है. और इसके ऊपर एक बार टिंट लगा लिया अच्छा डार्क सा. इसके ऊपर I'm applying my Wishcare lip balm. This has SPF, so it will just help to not pigment my lips, and it's not very glossy, so I like that because it's hydrating but it doesn't look very glossy or shiny. I really like this look that it's given my lips, like a very natural flushed look. And this has SPF 50. Ceramides, kojic acid, and this is a watermelon one, so it's the pink one, so it goes really well with my look. Okay, very simple and cozy. I'm going to put my beach clip. That's it, we're ready. I'm going to link all the products that I used in the description box. Wishcare's products are honestly so effective and so good. I think main उनका product best होता है because इनका texture बहुत अच्छा होता है. The way they formulate their texture of the products is very user friendly. Like you can see I'm sweating so much but my face has no excessive oil whatsoever. It's got a really nice shine. It's got plumpness but it's not got any oil or no chip-chipa feeling at all. So the texture of Wishcare's products are my favorite. They're already super affordable but you can use my discount code on their website and you'll get additional discount. मैं products tag भी कर दूंगी और description box में भी डाल दूंगी. Now let's go and have fun in Havelock. Okay, I'm also taking this swimwear with me and like a towel, a napkin. I'm taking my sunscreens and I'm also taking my swimwear with me because हम शायद change करके शाम को beach पे चले जाएंगे. So this is a very nice pretty swimsuit I've got. रीत को ये सब देख के असम की याद आ रही है ना? The road is so narrow कि एक गाड़ी भी जाती है तो we have to slow down. And you can see बिल्कुल street lamps नहीं है तो बिल्कुल light pollution नहीं होता. रात को तारे एकदम clear दिखते हैं. I'll try with my camera today if I can capture it for y'all. But otherwise it's so beautiful. Like in the day though you can see the lush greenery. And राधानगर बीच के रोड पे तो इतनी dense forest है. बहुत सुंदर दिखती है. Look at these waters, you guys. This is not color grading. मैं बिल्कुल edit नहीं करती अपने videos. Color देखो पानी. Hello, good morning. Where is everyone?
I don't know.
हो गया होगा सबका आज का डाइव. बहुत लेट आया हम. Yeah, Rapid Impulse apparel. Where is Oscar? Why don't you bring him? On chill days you should bring.
Gang more over here.
Why? With the other ones.
Yeah, that's
Oscar's a lab or a retriever?
lab.
Lab is a lab. Very
We
very
have a
cute.
whole gang and go and fight with the other gang over
I
there.
know.
One day he got bitten. एक कान कट गया, दूसरा कान कट गया. इसको पकड़ के और मारे. यहाँ पे और एक डॉगी है. अभी हॉस्पिटल ड्यूटी लग गया हमारा.
Yeah, this one is very territorial. I know. चलो फटफट फुल मून जाना है. जा रहे हो?
अरे एक तो लेट आए वो ऊपर से फुल मून जाना है.
भूख लगी है मेरे को.
ए गुड्डू हमारा किट दे.
I have bought this new book from Prajakta Kohli, so I'm reading this and Reet is getting his training, but मेरा भी refresher हो रहा है पूरा. This full course is being revised मेरे लिए भी. आज खाली equipment, familiarity and education. मेरा भी ऐसे ही हुआ था ना. I had gone into water the day you had taught me.
You guys needed a break. No?
Yeah, we do.
Now
So
you
good.
have the SPG in your hand.
I'm so excited for Reet to finish his paddy because then both of us can be scuba divers. जब हम बाली गए थे तो मेरा इतना मन था गिली में करने का, but it was just that वो बाहर क्या करता, he would get bored and I would also want to go with him. So that's the reason why I didn't do scuba diving. We just went for snorkeling. Now any other island vacation we take, हम दोनों scuba या snorkel जो भी हमारी मर्जी से कर सकते हैं. So now that he has paddy, it's like he's taking me along his adventures of life because he takes me on treks, which is so unfamiliar to me. And I thought since he took me trekking in Meghalaya, I should take him for paddy because that's an adventure I am familiar with. This place really feels like second home for me. मेरी जिंदगी के best memories I made in Havelock, especially as a solo traveler also. It gave me so much, like it re-energized my soul, you know. तुम क्या कर रहे हैं? मैं अटक जाऊंगी इसमें. Secluded entry to Radhanagar beach. It's over there. I have changed my outfit at Full Moon Cafe only. I'm wearing this beautiful swimsuit which I got on twirl around the world. It's full sleeves. It's got this skirt attachment. It's very frill and flare. And Reet wants to take my videos and he's waiting for people to clear out. A secluded spot is not very secluded over here.
What? Yeah, I'm still waiting for people to clear.
अभी बस इतने ही लोग निकलेंगे. अभी चलो.
दो.
ब्लश अच्छे से blended नहीं है. Oh, this place is stunning. I missed it so much. Radhanagar beach is India's cleanest beach and look at that. So many people over there. But still उन लोग कितना साफ रखते हैं. And you get the most beautiful sunsets here. I've been to so many beaches abroad as well, but no beach is as beautiful and no sunset is as beautiful as what you'll see in Radhanagar beach. Like look at that color. This is not color graded. The color of the water, the color of the sun, it's all so pretty. And the fact that there's the whole forest, dense forest on this side, I feel like I am in Moana. Like the entire jungle, the ocean. लास्ट टाइम आई हैड कम टू राधानगर ऑन द लास्ट ऑफ माई ट्रिप, लाइक एंड में, तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा थक गई थी एंड एकदम सुकून वाला एंड था. एंड इस बार आई न्यू कि पहले ही मुझे राधानगर बीच आना है बिकॉज इट इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम हियर. इट्स सुपर ब्यूटिफुल नॉनदलेस.
The next day.
It's day 3 in Havelock and my first dive today. I'm going for a fun dive and Reet is starting his open water today. Yesterday he finished his swim test and he started his knowledge review for theory. अभी आज थोड़े उसको कोर्स के skills वगैरह कराएंगे and if he does well then they'll take him for a dive. But I'm definitely going for my fun dive. This time I don't want to get burnt, so I have of course put a lot of sunscreen. But वो तो मैंने last time भी लगाया था. This time to protect myself from a burn, I bought my own rash guard. So this is from Speedo. I bought it on Amazon. I'll link it for your niche in case you're a swimmer also and you want. It's amazing material, एकदम compression वाला material है, तो it's like really snatched me up. And then I've got my dry fit material का what is this called, gym pants. These are from Puma but they're very very old, so I'm just wearing this and then I'm gonna put the wetsuit on this and be ready for my dive. Let's go. Are you excited? First day with scuba gear. Let's go. Helmet ले लो.
A few inches later.
You know, there is an option called I can beat my student.
Right.
I can still be. Hey, no, don't say. Don't, no help.
But then.
Wait, let her use her brain. Whoa!
But then you right me still.
हाँ तो राइट पे ही तो है. देख तेरा मजाक बना रहा है पीछे बैठ के. ओ भाई, LPI कौन लगाएगा? फेंकने का नहीं है. क्या करके थक गया सुबह से बात करके. ए भाई, LPI कौन लगाएगा? मैं.
LPI पहले क्यों लगाओ? पहले ये तो चेक कर लूंगा.
तो LPI नहीं लगाना है.
लगा रही हूँ ना.
हाँ तो
ये चेक.
तो रीत को तो बराबर बताया. आई एम नॉट कंफ्यूजिंग यू, दैट्स द प्रोसेस. उसको तो बराबर बताया. खुद के टेम्पो उल्टा कर रहे हो बैठ के.
I do any order. In Kota they didn't care what order.
You are in Andaman. We have to follow the order. कोता हो गया बाढ़ में. हाँ अभी लगेगा यही बोल रहा था मैं.
No LPI. I hate putting the LPI.
हाँ तो if you on the pressure and if you put it, it won't. हाँ करो आप.
You're being very mean to me and you were very nice to me. I have seen the
We are bro code now.
that is happening over here is not appreciated. I came to you first.
Okay. Wait. Just pause the alternator and check. हाँ with the SPG. Purge करके देख ले बस. Do smart work now. हाँ that's it. Inflate कर. Kit inflate कर, deflate कर. उसको पीछे पॉकेट पे डाल दे.
It's lilac. It's not pink.
दोनों के बीच का है ये.
Yeah, some.
पर्पल और पिंक के बीच का.
Yes, purple और pink के बीच. ये. Oscar is the reason I come back to Andaman, not you. कहाँ गया? हाँ, cutie. Look at them. So cute. Not all dogs love water. Very few dogs love water. Hi. How old is he now? He's only 2? That means I saw him, he was such a baby.
You saw him when he is 4 months. Now he's 2 years. Two.
That's what it's. He's already looking like so much bigger. My dog is 6 years.
Your small one. What we'll do is we'll deflate our BCD.
Okay.
Then we'll try to inhale.
We'll reach नीचे
full bed पे सो जाएंगे.
surface पे. हाँ.
Okay. Inhale करेंगे.
हाँ.
This is the symbol for inhale.
Yeah. So exhale. Yeah.
Inhale करेंगे. We'll try to
Deflate fully the
Deflate
BCD
fully
and
and
you
inhale.
inhale. So you start floating then.
नहीं होगा क्योंकि we are a bit heavy. Our lungs won't take that much capacity.
डन विथ वन डाइव. अभी एक और डाइव के लिए जाएंगे. बर्गर आ रहा है, बर्गर के लिए रुके. रीत फिनिश्ड हिज open water का first set of core skills and he looks confident, so I'm happy.
It was amazing. Felt good inside the water. Felt very familiar. One good thing is since we have a breathing source there, so you don't really have to panic. The moment I entered, I panicked a little, but then I realized, अबे इधर ही है सांस लेने.
Chill.
Let's see what the second dive has. What the first proper dive has.
2 hours later.
I'm done. I did 2 dives today. मेरे कान दोनों भी बंद है. Equalization में बहुत इशू हुआ है because मुंबई का pollution is so bad. Saurav was saying कि जितने भी दिल्ली वाले भी आ रहे हैं उनको बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है to equalize because our full like eustachian tubes, our nasal passage, everything is so blocked with the pollution. So I had little bit of difficulty. Also my eyes were burning a lot. Like first day in the sea is a little rocky, but I loved it. I was very comfortable. This time I was not panicking. I was breathing well. मेरा buoyancy भी better है. सब कुछ मतलब सही चल रहा है. Reet is still inside the water. He is getting his confined sessions done. तो उसको time लगेगा. I'm just sitting and chilling here. Ate a burger without the patty, like the bread. I've kept it here only and just eaten the patty. That's how I maintain my keto diet because bread is not good. खाली फुकट bread क्यों खा के भरना. I just ate the patties which had chicken in it. I'm waiting so he comes. I'm very hungry so we can go and eat something. But yeah, it feels so good to be reunited with the water. And over here I feel the most comfortable at Dive Master because Saurav is so great and he's just so like it's a friend. Like I'm diving with a friend. So just Saurav and I were fun diving and इन लोग सब open water course कर रहे हैं और मेरा advanced कल शुरू करेंगे. I'm gonna go to the shore and see where the boys are they coming out. Had fun?
Yeah.
You loved it?
Yeah, amazing.
Very nice. I'm glad. I was coming to get you all only. I had an intuition that you're coming. I got up.
To figure out the colors, but if I'm at a height and the fishes are down, I was having trouble identifying them. But then again, मेरे मुंह के सामने से गया.
It takes time. मुझे तो first day पे dive भी नहीं कराए थे. So you're way ahead of me. I don't know why I thought like Reet would take a little while to get comfortable with scuba diving. He loves the water, loves the ocean, but as a swimmer, like because he's such a great swimmer, he's a national level swimmer, he uses his hand a lot, and in scuba you have to keep your hand like this वरना आपका पूरा buoyancy हिल जाएगा underwater, so you have to keep your hand like this. That's something even I do as a swimmer. I'm used to using my hands and Saurav always like even today he's like हाथ मत use कर. So I felt like Reet would know. And also you have to breathe from your mouth whereas in swimming you breathe from your nose, so you have to forget a little bit, like unlearn kind of things. But of course swimmers are much more comfortable in water, so you don't necessarily need to know swimming to know scuba, you know. You can learn scuba independently as a sport also. I just felt like Reet ko thoda time lagaya to get comfortable, but I'm glad it's going well, that he's comfortable and it's like he's happy every time he comes out of the water. तो जब मेरा open water शुरू किया था first 2 days I was like हड़बड़ा गई थी मैं एकदम कि नहीं करना है, बहुत मुश्किल है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. वो scuba tank देख के तो मैं और भी डर गई थी because I have some FOMO. I have some trauma attached to that, but yeah, everything's going good.
One eternity later.
हमने मस्त उधर ऊपर खाना खाया है, उधर टेरेस पे पूल साइड है एंड मस्त डिनर किया. लाइक डिनर नहीं किया है, सिर्फ स्टार्टर्स एंड लाइम वाटर एंड आइसक्रीम. वी स्टिल हैव टू हैव मेन कोर्स, वो हम रूम सर्विस में लेंगे. इधर हम झूले झूल रहे हो रीत.
मैं अकेला नहीं झूल रहा हूँ.
किसके साथ झूल रहे हो?
तुम्हारे साथ.
मेरा नाम क्या है?
सारा सरस.
Next morning.
I have come to the shop and they have given me धोखा. आज मेरा एडवांस शुरू करना था और ये लोग
no धोखा.
Please.
I want Reet to be on the board and she is like कि नहीं बिना Reet के कर लेते हैं.
Exactly. I came to do advance and he came to do open water.
तू अपना हॉलीडे एंजॉय करना, Reet को चिल करने दे. Reet आराम से एडवांस करेगा तुम्हारे साथ.
This is a couple plan I did not have in action. Reet is ruining my solo plans. Go back.
कैसे
एक तो ये लोग का ब्रो कोड है ना, ब्रो कोड जैसी आके अभी सब लोग रीत
तुम्हारा भाव कम हो गया.
वही ना.
जलन हो रही है, जलन.
मैं चली जाऊँ
एक रास्ता सीधा
मैं जाऊँ.
राइट.
बाय. कोई नहीं आना डाइव मास्टर, आना ही मत. हम दूसरे डाइव शॉप ढूंढते. जाओ मैं जा रही हूँ.
उसके तरफ वो मिली थी आपको. Where is this dive master? तो कोर्स है, शॉप कैसे होता है?
I had no idea, but Saurav told me that Jovi is coming to Andaman and she's coming to Dive Master right now. Like Abhiwari, she's doing like an assisted scuba basically, which you
Discover
can
scuba diving.
discover scuba diving, just like the assisted one in which you can go see the coral, see the fishes, and then come and somebody will go with you. So that's an option that you all can do too. It's of course there at Dive Master. हम तो course करने ही आए तो हम तो course के intentions है. आज मैं एक fun dive करूँगी, not with Saurav, with somebody else because he wants me to be comfortable with different people. And वैसे तो थाईलैंड में भी अलग लोगों के साथ किया था.
But the point is when you go with different instructors, you understand they are part of the style. How they will take you, how they will make things. That's the point. So you are comfortable with me. तुमको पता है कि अरे क्या करने का next. But when you go with the new instructor, the things changes, no?
Yeah.
You have to think in that way कि अरे ये क्या बोलेगा, ये कब में से एयर गेज पूछेगा. जैसे मेरे को पता है कि तेरा 100 कब होगा, तो मैं उसी टाइम पे पूछता हूँ. पता वो 100, 110, 120 के बीच में ही रहता है because I know your air consumption is.
True.
But if you go with someone else, he will be asking you every 5 minutes. बता क्या है. It's like that.
True. Have log to eat puri bhaji. Puri bhaji. Puri bhaji. Everybody is already eating. हम लोग डाइव पे से रोज आके पूरी भाजी खाते थे. दैट इज द कल्चर. तो अभी डाइव पे मैं थोड़ी देर बाद जाऊंगी. रीतेन लोग अभी जा रहे हैं तो आई विल ईट माय पूरी भाजी बिफोर डाइव. व्हाट टाइम एम आई लीविंग फॉर द डाइव?
Mostly by 10:30.
What's the time now?
9:45.
I have 45 minutes, so I can eat.
Wait. They are getting you the hot ones.
Okay. I'm already hot. Do you need hot puri also?
एक काम कर, हाथ में रख के फुला दे. मैं सोचा था यही लाइन नेक्स्ट आने वाला है.
Garam puri has come for me. Yay! Best part about Havelock is this. Dive Master पे dive करो और फिर दादा की पूरी भाजी. Are we going there near the dive shop and eating so I can feed Reet also? Chalo.
Let Reet go for one day after that.
Okay. Chal, we'll sit here. Island breakfast. वैसे मैं एक ही डाइव कर रही हूँ. उसके बाद मैं होटल चेंज कर दूंगी जब तक रीत इज कंप्लीटिंग हिज कोर्स. हेलो बस मेरा एडवांस है.
कल ही पता चला कि आप यहाँ पे आई.
पता चल गया था.
मैंने
तो
नहीं बोला भाई.
सरप्राइज होने वाला था. क्या हो गया? कैसे पता?
जैसे आई तभी पता चल गया था कि आप आ चुके हैं.
कैसे पता चला? लेकिन हैवलॉक इज अ स्मॉल आइलैंड. बातें फिरती है इधर.
मनोज के पास खुफिया जासूस.
हाँ देखो मैंने बोला था ना मैं आऊंगी एडवांस करने. मैं आई. जोवी हैज कम. शी हैज नो आइडिया आई एम हियर. शी इज व्लॉगिंग हरसेल्फ. That's why I was saying come fast. He was saying come fast.
Oh my god, what are the chances, man?
I know. He told me, you know this creator, she's also coming. I was like, yes, I know her. When is she coming? She's like, today. I was like, okay.
Oh, Sarachi, I cannot
You
believe.
come alone? Then you've come with some friend. That's why you're getting late. Chal, you're going diving.
We're doing it alone.
Yeah.
So cool. I'm so happy.
See? Miracle 2025 miracle.
I cannot. This has been.
Saurav planned, so that's Saurav. Okay, that's Manoj, sir. And he was my coach. And this is Jovi. Now you have made already. Everybody is aware that you have arrived at Dive Master.
I'm like, this girl looks like Sarah and she's taking a video. I'm like, what?
I hate you, Saurav. Jovi is getting her skill training and it's so cold. मैं अभी wetsuit नहीं पहनती. I've come with my own rash guard and all. It's so cold. आज high tide है. Mama, I can't take it on my chest. She's just doing the DHD. That's the Discover Scuba Diving. गया सौरभ गया पानी. मुझे भी जाने की जरूरत है. Breathe in, breathe out. जाओ क्या?
फोन लेके चल.
फोन लेके गई तो हो गया. नहीं. मेरे फिन वगैरह किधर है भाई?
प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए था ना, मिल रहा है. सब पहुंच जाएंगे. I'll put the phone also.
I will kill you.
हाँ फोन पानी तो गिर रहा है.
हाँ, she feels good.
like this has become a core memory.
Yeah, it is the best dive I have ever had in Havelock, and Jovi was so lucky. Her first dive, the best visibility we got. Fishes were like in front of us. So many colors, so many coral colors. बहुत सही visibility थी आज.
Beautiful.
मजा आ गया. I've driven so many times in Havelock, but this was the best. Can't believe it. Core memory unlocked 2025. We never thought we would meet, and we had the best time together.
It was so beautiful. Sorry, just bleep that.
This is Red Pillar. Last time I couldn't do it na, because of currents. If the currents are high over here, then they don't bring you here. Because I was a beginner last time. This trip is going better than I thought it would. I mean, who would have thought I would meet Jovi? What a coincidence. God has his ways. मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल idea नहीं था कि Jovi is also traveling to Havelock. My trip was planned. I was telling Reeth, first trip has to be mountain. And he was like, no, it has to be beach. And we ended up.
1 hour later.
Havelock always has a way to excite me and surprise me. Like in no way I would have thought that I would meet Jovi over here of all the people. First trip of 2024 was with her. जब हम सिंगापुर साथ में Coldplay देखने गए थे. और recently only I was thinking of her because recently क्या कल रात को नहीं I was thinking of Shweta Di and Jovi because I was seeing everybody in Mumbai attend Coldplay and I was like, oh, we had the best Coldplay experience in Singapore. It was so nice. We should go again somewhere. So मैं सोच ही रही थी and today out of nowhere Saurav is like, she's coming and I was like, and Saurav keeps showing me creators who are going to come to Andaman and to Havelock and to Dive Master, and he keeps showing me like what all collaborations are going on. Like he's such a buddy for me now, and I love like Saurav ke sath like underwater today I was giving him like gali air all underwater because he was again and again fin ladaving with me and pulling me down and stuff. He keeps showing me like what they are collaborating with and all. So I was like, and then he showed me, and usually I never know the creators who are coming because they are like not in the same niche as I am, so I never know them. But today he showed me this one, and do you know this person? I was like, yes I do. Like I know Jovi and I'm best friends with her. What the hell? And he was like, she's coming at 9:30 and she was going to cancel. Like she was going to not come. She was saying she was here for the free diving course, so she was doing free diving and she was like, I didn't feel like scuba diving at all. So she was going to cancel this morning, but then she showed up at 10:30. She showed up late because she was not in the mood, and then we went for a dive. Itna late we went that I was so puckered by the time we went, but then once we went inside the water, we saw the most beautiful marine life I have seen in Havelock till now. Like ocean has a way to surprise you and excite you. You never know what you'll see when you go down there. You don't know कि क्या दिखेगा आज और कैसी visibility होगी और कैसे currents होगी, कुछ भी नहीं पता होता. And when I was doing my training, I was unfortunate that there was a lot of currents, बारिश भी हुई थी और visibility भी अच्छी नहीं थी. तो जब मैंने course किया था बहुत दिक्कतें आई थी. But luckily, alhamdulillah, when Reeth is doing his course, everything's going well. He's still at the dive shop. He's at a dive, I think, right now. They are finishing their open water. He's gone for a second dive today, and he's gonna finish his open water tomorrow in the morning, early morning, like 5:30ish. He's gonna go to the shop and he's gonna finish his open water course so that we both come on the same page, and then मैं 9:30 बजे सुबह जाऊंगी, and then both of us can start advanced together. So this is also something I never thought would happen. I thought I'm coming for advanced and he'll do his open water, but both of us are doing, like, alhamdulillah that he's doing well, and that, you know, I could not do my advanced the same time I did open water because I was too tired and I was not that ambitious. Also, it was the end of the year, but since this is the start of the year, जोशी अलग है, and he's doing good. So I left it to him. I was like, तुमको मर्जी है, तुमको करना है तो तुम करो, मैं तो अपना एडवांस करने ही वाली हूँ, तुमको ओपन वाटर करना ही है. You can always come back, you know. I'm definitely coming back to Havelock again and again and again. We can always come back. And yesterday tak he was not in the mood, but sort of motivated him this morning. So now we're doing the full thing. Okay, both of us will be advanced scuba divers at the end of our Havelock trip, which is crazy. Now I'm changing hotels. I am at Silver Sand Village right now, so I'm changing. I'm packing both our luggage and I'm going to Silver Sand Beach. So Reeth will come directly from the dive shop to Silver Sand Beach Resort. I missed this place. I spent the most amount of time at Silver Sand Beach last time. Crazy. Thank you. Oh. Ooh, these rooms are fancier than I remember. Welcome back to Silver Sand. How sweet. And this is... Oh. Yes, exactly how I remember it. It's so good to be back. And when I was doing my course, majority of the time I was staying at Silver Sand Beach. So this place really, really feels like home because I was literally living here, studying here, doing my course, eating here. I've ordered the same food I always order here. The Murg Reshmi kebab, butter chicken and naan because Reeth will eat that. And Murg Nawabi tikka. The food at Silver Sand is, especially if you're a North Indian, you're gonna love their food. Even at the Dive Master, I met a person who's a South Indian and she misses North Indian food. And she was saying in my vlog, she saw that Murg Reshmi Kebab idhar ka bahut acha hai, so she wants to eat it because she misses her Delhi wala khana. She's a South Indian who used to live in Delhi or something like that. She misses North Indian food. So I was like, yeah, their food is good. Kaisa lag raha hai tumko? How was the dive?
Dive was very good.
You saw the best fishes.
Not the best, but yeah, I mean, a lot of them I saw.
A little later.
After meeting Jovi, there's been a slight change in my Havelock plans tonight. Reet is going to be staying indoors doing his work while I am dressed to go have dinner with Jovi. I'm going to Full Moon Cafe with her. It's right in front of the hotel she's staying at and she's not yet gone to Full Moon. And today is her last night in Havelock. Kal wo nikal rahi hai Neil Island ke liye. So I was like, okay, I'll do a girls' night with her. Reet came back from his dive and went off to sleep and now he's working. He's sitting with his laptop. So I thought I will go alone and he can order food in Silver Sand. Food is great over here. We ate lunch in the room only and I was working tabhi while he slept, so now I'm free to go out while he has to work. We are balancing work on this staycation because, well, it's not a staycation, it's actually pretty hectic to get our courses done and also we have work to balance. We have taken literally a 7-day trip at the beginning of the year. There is no chutti for us. We are working on this trip but we're just balancing like work and holidays somehow. Now I'm gonna grab my red helmet to match this beautiful red dress from Costume Counter. You've seen me wear this before. I've not like bought a lot of new clothes on this trip. New were only the swimsuits. You've seen me wear this in Koh Samui. I really like it. It's such a beachy number and you don't need to iron this. It's beautiful. And the one and only chappal I bought with me. Where is my chappal? Bahar hi hoga, of course. Not feeling well, but where are you coughing?
I had a cough before I was on medicine.
Hi. Now we'll order together only. Just could you keep a coil over here? Mosquitoes are biting. Acha, theek hai. Okay, thank you. Finish the masala peanuts. What I'm vlogging.
You asked me to finish it, so I finished it. I think
This is Michael, new person on the island that we are meeting who Jovi discovered. He does kayaking and he does free diving, which is what she's been doing. Okay, why are you dancing?
I did kayaking also.
This is Jovi in Havelock. Frustrated, irritated, sleepy. Yeah, just because she's not getting alcohol, that's why she's irritated.
Just because Zara won't shut up.
I am entertaining you. And we've ordered banoffee. I made her wait.
You're entertaining yourself.
Please, Michael is laughing non-stop. I ordered banoffee pie and just shush. Banoffee pie at Full Moon is the best shit ever. Is it the best shit ever? Did you like it? It's good, yeah?